A very good evening to our excellent parents, teachers, and our dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 8th annual day celebration of Garden Court Cambridge School, a part of Cambridge Group of Schools. Even though our chairman, Professor M. Ramachandran, has succeeded beyond his expectations and enjoyed more success by his accomplishments in North, his urge for the uplift of the student community around his birthplace led him to establish Garden Court Cambridge School CBSE and MBM Cambridge Vidya Mandir CBSE Mavadi. Thus, the foundation stone laying ceremony was held on 7th December 2014 in the presence of Sri Pon Radhakrishnan, former Union Minister of State for Road Transport and Highways. The opening ceremony function was held on 14th June 2015 in the presence of Dr. D. Karthikesan, Director ISRO, and Dr. V. Ponraj, a scientist. He was a scientific advisor to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The determined voyage started from the academic year 2015-16 with a great vision, mission, and a benchmark. We are the school with a difference. We mean it in every single aspect. Look at our management, students, and teachers. We are very much different from all the other regular ones that you find in our town. Our school is a dream destination for students, teachers, and parents. I wish to begin celebrating our success with an expression of gratitude to our illustrious management, whose wisdom and missionary zeal inspired all of us to work with passion and commitment. We also remember every one of those who walked along with us, who contributed their best to build this edifice of excellence. I take pride in announcing that our school has got its secondary CBSE affiliation on 27th October 2017 and the senior secondary affiliation on 5th October 2019. We are the first in Kanyakumari district to crack the affiliations in the very first attempt. This academic year, 22-23, started with an induction program for the staff members, followed by a series of workshops and a week-long staff enrichment program which was conducted by Mr. Somu, the then academic director of Cambridge Group of Schools and the former principal of Nasik Cambridge School. Mr. Prabhu Bhagyachandran, the founder principal of Seven Isles Cambridge International School, Mulund, Mumbai, contributed a lot in getting the CBSE affiliations and trained our teachers in various perspectives. Mr. Shanmugasundar, the present principal of Nasik Cambridge School, a renowned expert in physics and maths, mentored our 10th and 12th students to come out with flying colors. Mr. Ragul, the CEO of Cambridge Group of Schools, a young literary critic and orator, shaped his father's dream through his multi-vivid personality. Mrs. Bharati Ramachandran is the linchpin and she is behind the success of Cambridge Group of Institutions. Life at GCS is enlivened by our festivals, celebrations, themed assemblies, and performances throughout the year. Since the last 6 years, we are making our students take the first taste of democracy and leadership qualities through the totally computerized voting system in the student council elections. The elected members of head boy, head girl, the house captains, monitors, and the class perfects got their badges pinned on investiture ceremony. The Students' Council took the pledge to hold the school motto of loyalty, truth, and honor in high esteem. On June 5th, World Environment Day was celebrated in our school by our pre-primary and primary wing under the theme Only One Earth, with a focus on living sustainably in harmony with nature. Students got an excellent opportunity to explore the nature through various activities like tree planting campaigns, art from waste exhibits, recycling and waste reduction initiatives. Exhibits of plant products, pictures of various important medicinal plants were also displayed on the bulletin boards. We celebrated International Yoga Day on June 21st. The students performed Surya Namaskar and various asanas. The physical department organized a workshop on health and fitness for higher students. Kalvi Alichinal. The birthday of Karmaveerar Kamarajar was celebrated on July 15th, 2022 with great respect. Our teacher, Mrs. Nalini, has explained his life and achievements to our children. A grand professional Villapattu show was organized by our chairman and that awakened everyone's feeling towards Sri Kamarajar. The day of great pride and glory for every Indian, the 75th Independence Day of our nation, was celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. The great day commenced with march past, followed by flag hoisting, display of various performances, patriotic songs, dance, and many more. And our chief guest, Dr. Neelakanda Pillai, HOD Tamil Department, ST Hindu College, inspired us with their patriotic speech. Celebrating events and festivals in school have become the integral part of learning and building a strong cultural belief in a child. We celebrated Krishna Jayanti on 19th September at our school premises. Our pre-primary kids are brightly dressed up as little Krishna and Radha and distributed sweets with all joy and happiness. Teachers' Day was celebrated on 5th September. Our children expressed their love and gratitude towards their teachers by giving greeting cards and by various performances. The school strives to improve the all round personality of the children through many activities. By celebrating color days, started with primary colors and followed by secondary colors in every month. It was an excellent learning experience for students, which will enhance their visual discrimination and develop their fine motor skills. Students dressed colorfully, and the classrooms were decorated using the children artworks. Many inter-house competitions like coloring, collage making, pot decoration, clay modeling, elocutions, storytelling, and sport activities like spoon with lemon, running, etc., were conducted at regular intervals during the color days for our pre-primary. On Children's Day, our teachers took the entire show from assembly to various stage performances with great enthusiasm and vigor to cherish our children. Various inter-house sport competitions like mini marathon, relay was held. They were given information about the purpose of celebrating Children's Day. Impressive magic show was demonstrated for all the classes. It was a good entertainment for students. The towering personality who appeared from our soil of Tamil Nadu, a face of our nation, the great scientist and one of our former presidents, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday was celebrated on 15th October in our school premises. Our science club has arranged an exhibit on hundreds of biological specimens, a theatre-built planetarium, and an entertaining 12D show for our students. It was open for our parents too. The 9-day Navaratri festival was celebrated with Golu. On the day of Vijayadasami, the students, parents, and faculty of Garden Court Cambridge School came together to seek the blessings of the goddesses of knowledge, music, art, and culture. We distributed tambulam, and Rangoli competition was arranged for our parents. They displayed their creativity in an unimaginable form. The parents and students cherished the grand Dandiyaras event. Dance competitions set the stage on fire. Hence, it is an auspicious day to start learning. Lot of new admissions enrolled for Tiny Blooms. Happy to know that we are the choice for many parents. The Festival of Lights, Diwali, was celebrated in our school with the difference by saying no to crackers and by creating awareness among children for the same. Our students came in traditional dresses and engaged in classroom activities like making diyas, greeting cards, rangolis, etc. We organized Food Festival 2022. Parents and students actively participated with wide variety of food stalls. It was an attempt to create awareness about the benefits of millets, organic and traditional homemade food among children. Color makes a classroom alive and stimulates creativity. Yes, we celebrated Christmas and New Year with beautifully decorated trees, Santas, wreaths and artworks. To inculcate the spirit of sharing, our students exchanged Christmas gifts with their friends. Students welcomed New Year with more provoking thoughts and few set of resolutions to be followed. Harvest festivals like Pongal and Onam was celebrated in a marvelous way with more fun-filled entertaining events. A Pongal making competition was held for grandparents. They wholeheartedly participated in all other events too. Indeed, the 2022 Grandparents' Day was a memorable one for everyone. We played a film show on Mundasu Kavinjar, an initiative by Tamil Nadu government to create an awareness on the importance of childhood education among students. GCS witnessed the Eco Club and Literary Club inauguration, which were held with great grandeur to bloom up and accomplish various areas of interest and excellence among students. The aims and objectives of the clubs were read out, and competitions like essay writing, storytelling, poster making, elocution, puzzle setting, Tirukkural recitation were conducted and prizes were distributed for the winners. The clubs are in action now and ready for many more events on coming days. Parents and teachers meetings are held on the result day of every examination to discuss about the strength, improvements made by the children and ways to overcome their weakness from time to time. It has been remarked the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Yes, it's one of our chairman's vision that the children adventure new learnings by visiting many places instead, sitting in the closed wall. Thus, students were taken for various educational trips and excursions. Pre-primary children visited Apta Market, Ramji Gardens, Udayagiri Fort, and learn about the concepts which are found in their textbook. The primary school students visited Chittaral Jain Temple, Mathur Hanging Bridge, Pechapare Dam, and various other factories to know how they work. The middle school students went to Madurai, Tuticorin Harbour, Coimbatore, and Ooty, and they glanced tea and chocolate factories with ecstasy. Class 10, 11, and 12 visited ISRO Propulsion Complex, Magendragiri, Nuclear Power Plant, Kudankulam. Exclusive happenings at GCS. A 21st century education is about giving students the skills they need to succeed in the global society. To facilitate and inspire students' learning, we are in an urge to apply innovative methods in our curriculum. One such is introducing an international approach of textbook learning to our pre-primary and primary kids, such as the Collins and Oxford International Books, Montessori method of education incorporated with Cambridge Kindergarten. These programs are child-centric, self-paced, individualized learning and enable the child to be more confident, independent, self-regulated, and self-disciplined. To face the exams with confidence, our students undergo an intensive coaching session which is specially designed by our chairman. It's more than a foundation course for children. From the past results, we come to know through this training, students can easily clear all their future entrance exams. To make our children a better and effective communicator, we are setting up an English interactive phonics lab for them. To implement this, we have been associated with TuneIn Collins UK. Apart from our echo and literary clubs, we are ready to visualize few more in the row, like organic farming, entrepreneur club, adventure, cookery, and humor club for our students. A power package of 23-24 year planner includes Thirukural value-based education, performing arts, literature, writer's blog, learning by experimenting, Olympiad for primary and middle school. As a jewel in GCS crown, we are delighted to add NEET, JEE, and foundation courses along with our CBSE curriculum. As we have informed, the Commerce group is added along with the Max Biology and Max Computer Science from the academic year 2021-22. If you think about accountancy, think GCS. We are the first in town to provide an industry-based curriculum, career guidance program, startup and strategic management cell for school students. And we proved that this temple of education is started by a commerce prodigy, Professor M. Ramachandran. Academic achievements reflect the diligence and skills to perform to the best of one's ability. The sincere efforts of students in the CBSE exams 2021-22 brought laurels to the school. The students of class 10 and 12 have showcased tremendous execution of hard work with 100% results added with excellent individual scores in the CBSE board exams. 29 students appeared for the class 12 exam. 15 students have secured above 90%. In commerce stream, Sri Bibisha has topped the school with 96% and secured centum in accountancy and business studies. The class composite average is 85. In science stream, Abram Lambert has topped the school with 95% and secured 98 in chemistry and physics. Our pass-out students have joined premier institutions pursuing CA, medicine, engineering, BCom, Agri, and law, and thus they have spreaded their wings with much more confidence with what they get here in GCS. Few students got scholarships for higher studies from foundations like Martam and pursuing their studies at no cost. A total of 46 students appeared for class 10 board exam. 20 students have secured above 80%. S.A. Aarti, Abhijoshma, and Kritika has topped the school with 95% and secured centum in major subjects. We are very much happy to say that 10 more of our students have secured centum in Tamil and 20 more students have secured more than 90 in all the other subjects. We are glad to inform that our students participated and won numerous prizes and medals in various district level competitions like Tamil Nadu Science Forum, Tulir Quiz Competition, Rotary Queens Club, Kumari Kalaham, Ayya Vaigundar Narpani Mandap, inter-school competitions. Students from class 6 to 11 attended a science forum workshop in Vivekananda College, Kanyakumari. We are proud to inform that our school has hosted Dakshin Sagodaya Taekwondo Inter-School Tournament. More than 30 schools from Tuticorin, Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari districts have participated and we bagged the overall runner-up title. Our students have marked the presence in Dakshin Sagodaya sports meet by winning gold medals in various categories like under 17 handball, under 14 girls kho, team chess, skating, silambam and kabaddi. Our student Tamin Roshwan of class 5 got first prize in district level chess competitions conducted by Rotary Club of Nagarkoil South. Amit Sanjeev and Amit Darshan of class 3 and 6 bagged gold medals in district level swimming competitions. Our students participated in the district level cycle race and bagged first, third and fifth place conducted by Tamil Nadu Sports Authority for Arinyaranda birthday. Daryl Christian of class 8 won the winner title and a cash prize of 5,000 rupees. Our student Pradarshini of class 5 got gold medal in the South Tamil Nadu Boxing Championship held at Arinyaranda Stadium. Balint Alfredo, Seranika Anand, Asjovit bagged the first and second places in the Inter-School Silambam tournament which was conducted by Nanjil Catholic School. Boys from class 11 and 12 participated and won medals in the soccer tournament 2022 at Scott Christian College, Nagarkoil. Garden Court Cambridge School has done well, doing excellent work at present, and you can expect the best